friends, this is Akshata here with yet another delicious and quick recipe. Today I'll be showing you how to make some Dahi Kebabs. So let's go through our ingredients. This is some hung curd. I will leave the instructions in the description box below as to how I prepared this hung curd. Then we require some breadcrumbs, 1.5 tablespoon of rice flour, you can also use corn flour, 1.5 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, 1 very small onion diced very finely, the paste of 2 light green chilies and half an inch of ginger, and salt to taste. Now you'll also require some water in a plate, because we are going to make kebabs or cutlets out of this hung curd. So first let us prepare our mixture. Now to prepare our mixture, we will take this hung curd. To this we will add our very finely diced onion, next goes in our ginger and green chili paste, our cumin powder, some salt to taste, and rice flour. This rice flour is a binding agent. And now we are going to mix everything well together till everything gets well incorporated. Now once our mixture is well mixed, we are going to start making our kebabs. Now it is very important that you also keep a kitchen towel or a napkin, because you have to wipe your hands quite often. So what we're going to do is we're going to first wet our hands, take a little of the mixture, form it into a small ball, and then roll it into your breadcrumbs and press it down to get a kebab like this. Now what I like to do is, after I make this, I like to keep it in my refrigerator for at least half an hour and then fry it. Now you can deep fry it, you can shallow fry it. These kebabs are just melt in the mouth kebabs. So you can make this like this. Here are my Dahi Kebabs ready. So I'll be keeping this in the refrigerator for at least half an hour and then we are ready to fry it. Friends, now it's been about half an hour and our Dahi Kebabs are all ready. Here I have a plate lined up with some kitchen paper, and I have my oil heating up. So we are now ready to fry our Dahi Kebabs. You can shallow fry these, but they turn out nice and crispy and soft in the center if they are deep fried. Also remember to keep a little bit of gap between them. Don't overcrowd your pot. I learned this recipe from my sister-in-law, Dr. Anagha. The first time she had made it for us, it was just fabulous and we just couldn't believe this kebabs. They were so delicious. You have to try these kebabs out. Now once they start browning on the lower side, we will turn them so they fry evenly. This is a very good starter or just a snack item. You don't have to fry them for very long, just till they turn a little golden brown, and then we will take them out very gently. And in this way I will fry the rest of my dahi kebabs. Again, your stove top has to be from medium to slow. Don't fry it on a high fire, otherwise it will get burnt and it will not taste nice at all. Friends, dahi kebabs. Please do try out this recipe and please do let me know how it turned out in the comments box below. Please subscribe to my channel for many more recipes. And once you have subscribed, please press the bell icon so every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to know. This is Akshata. Until another video, take care. Bye.